and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, and today I have got a witch casket unboxing for you guys. Finally we are on July. How are we in July right now? I have no idea, but I cannot imagine that sorry, it's looking pretty inside, but I cannot imagine that July's box is going to be June's box. If you remember, last month we had June, we had Sun Magic, and we got our very own bag of runes. Rune stones, our own bag, our own runes, a whole bag of runes. But I'm not going to go on about that because I did enough of that in that video. So I'm going to get straight into this one. And I'm already seeing this, which I really like. Amethyst is one of my favourite crystals. It's actually the crystal in what oh, I nearly said something then. But I'm not gonna. It's the crystal that I got in my engagement ring. Amethyst. Love a bit of amethyst. And I love these little cards. They're definitely going up on my walls. Oh, we've got some artwork there as well. Looks like she's got a bit of amethyst going on. Oh, does that mean that we're going to get some amethyst in this box? I hope so. I've got loads of amethyst, but you can never have too much amethyst, is what I'm thinking. Wow, this is cute. Okay, healing magic. Healing magic. It's hard to imagine it's time for July's witch casket already, but here it is. That's what I was just saying, isn't it? With everything that's going on in the world right now, it seems the whole world needs healing. So with that in mind, we packed as much love and healing energy as possible into July's witch casket, and we really hope you can all feel it and that the magic inside helps you all to find some peace and healing. That is so cute. I am very excited about this box. Okay, I mean, it definitely can't be the last one, but I'm still so excited about it. They're always really good. So I'm not going to look in this because I like to just pick them out and be surprised. So first of all, we've got a Waning Moon healing spell kit. So it contains everything you need to aid healing in yourself or others. So let's see what we've got. Oh, bonus pouch included. Contents can also be used as charm bags. Love it. We've actually got a bonus pouch inside here as well, which is exciting. Oh, that is pretty. That could almost be lapis lazuli, but it's not because there's no gold flecks in that. So it is sodalite. That's sodalite. It's beautiful. That it's very blue, very blue. This one's it's set out a little bit differently to the other ones, so it's not just showing me a contents list. We've got some witch hazel and lavender. Yeah, I'm seeing the lavender and the witch hazel. We've got the free, the like bonus pouch that we got, which is super cute. And then we've got the sodalite. I'm going to take it out and let you look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I honestly, guys, I love crystals. I love crystals so much. I've just gone all weird and quiet. Okay, this is a little bit of a change from the last one that I just filmed. It's the lavender. It's got to be listen, Google on my phone. I'm not talking to you. Just because I said okay, leave me alone. Sorry. She just gets at me sometimes. But yeah, like it could be the lavender, but I literally feel like I've just gone. But not in a bad way. Like not in a sad way, in a bit of a weird way. I feel a bit weird. Feel a little bit stoned, if I'm honest. I'm not, by the way. But yeah, that was... What was I just... Right, let's just carry on, because I don't know what's going on now. This is really cute. This is very different, I feel, to any of the other ones that we've got. The enamel pins. It's very light in colour. Most of them are quite dark. And this is just really pretty and soft. How nice is that? I love that. It's so cute. Oh, we've got a pentacle altar dish. This is going to be nice. This is going to be nice. If it's purple, I'm going to freak out. It won't be. It should be. I imagine it's going to be black. I do. It is black. That is cute. Oh my god, I could make something like this. I love making things. Like, I'm very artistic, artsy craftsy. It's just a little. What's that? So cute. Love it. I'm gonna put it back in here because I feel like it's safer in this pouch with it being like made of clay. But love it. Honestly, these boxes are so good. I love them. What else have we got here? We've got a mini healing spell. I'm waiting for this nail to snap off, guys. It's going to come off any minute. I'm just going to have to redo it and do a new one. Oh, we've got a little white candle and a little spell to do. Find a time when you're feeling fully relaxed. And I feel like that could be right now, if I'm bloody honest with you. I'm feeling really weird right now. But yeah, so I'm not gonna, I could do like, I will do separate videos on all the different things that come in these boxes. I just don't get very much communication on the boxes, so I don't know if you guys want to see it or not, and nobody's really said that they do. So I don't know, but please do let me know because I would do it. So we've got here, carry this talisman with you for empowerment and healing. Read the inscription whenever you feel pain or heartache. So I'll get it out for you guys to have a little look at this as well. Cute. So we've got a little talisman and it says, a new day dawns as old wounds heal. I cast out the pain I feel. Oh, ooh. That's what it looks like on one side, which is really cool. And then it's just got the that little inscription on the other side. I'm just feeling really strange, and I've definitely got a feeling that there's definitely an amethyst in this box. I'm just pretty sure there's going to be an amethyst, and we have already got a stone though. Oh no, but did that come in a kit? Oh, is that the stone? So maybe there isn't going to be an amethyst, but I feel amethystified. Witch casket, lavender, lavender butterfly green tea. There's a lot of lavender in this box. I think that could just be what it is, you know. I think it could just be making me feel a bit like relaxed and calm. Ooh, lavender tea. I need to get one of those little tea things that you like put the tea in. I don't have one. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, it's a little notebook. Oh, it's a little notebook, but it's got crystal magic in it as well. It's not a little notebook, it's a little crystal magic book. Crystals are created by... There's something really weird about this box, in a good way, but I'm getting some really like strangeness from this box. Crystals are created by Mother Nature, and each one is imbued with its own, I don't know if I said that right, unique magical properties. They can be used for healing, divination, meditation, and are traditionally used in spells and charms. This book will guide you through the benefits of working crystals into your craft. Oh man. Oh, I'm well excited about this. No, this is earth cleansing. It's telling you how to cleanse your crystals. Pendulums, different shapes and forms. Wow, and then there is a little notes part at the back, which is why I just thought it was a notes book. It has got actually some of your main crystals in the back and their properties and things like that as well, which is really, really good. I mean, I've got books of books and books, but I love this. I love it. Oh, what is going on? I feel really strange. I just want to say, the strangest thing about this, I'm not trying to be weird or anything, but I'm feeling, my energy levels have completely changed. I've literally just filmed June's box where I was like, ah, and then literally stopped it, restarted, started filming this, and have completely changed. And I just wanted to point that out because, yeah. It wouldn't have been as weird if it was a different day and I might have just been feeling in a different mood because it was a different day, but literally I've just gone from that to this and it's weird. Simple healing spells. Love it. We all need some healing in our lives, don't we? And if we don't, we sure as heck know someone that does. So, just pointing that out. This is pink as well, which I love. And then, what is this? What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a frigging cushion cover that says witch on it. Oh my god. Witch casket. I'm feeling you. I'm well excited about that. I've actually got a cushion that can go in that already. Although I might buy a new one because it might not have good vibes, the cushion that I've already got. And then we've got some essential oil, and this one is Wisdom Pure Essential Oil. No wait, isn't that what the other one said as well? I'm not sure if that's the scent of it or not. It did. I remember it did say on it something. It did say something on it though, like what we had in it. So it should say on here, lavender, obviously, lavender and mandarin. This is a calm ass box, guys. I'm not even joking you. Some people really don't like lavender. I do. I've always liked my lavender. And then we have got our, obviously, of course, we've got quite a big amethyst stone. I knew it. I knew there was an amethyst in here. I've got an amethyst wand and it's really, really pretty. So, we've just got a nice, beautiful piece of tumbled amethyst. Oh, she's pretty. I like her. So let's see what it says on here. I just feel really weird because I need my energies to go up again. Amethyst is a great healing stone believed to help with emotional and physical well-being. A calming stone, it eases stress, soothes irritability, it can balance emotions and help with mood swings. Anger, anxiety and grief. Amethyst enhances spiritual awareness and psychic abilities. Yeah. So I think that this video is actually it looks like it's quite long, which I'm a bit shocked about because I feel like anyway. So that was July's box. Hopefully I'm going to get all of these up in good timing for me to get August's up on time. Does that make sense? I've just filmed like 5 witch casket boxes and they're all going to be up very, very soon. This should be the last one though, before I start doing them monthly. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for watching. If you've got to the end of this video, please give me a thumbs up and just say amethyst rocks in the comments down below and I'll know that you got this far in the video. I love you guys so, so much and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye!